Hello viewers, the wait is finally over and the Huawei Ascend Mate is finally launched in India. It has been launched at a price of around 24,900 or 25,000 rupees, which is a very lucrative price for the device of this size and this capability. This large screen device has a 6.1 inch high definition display, has the latest Emotion UI from Huawei, and this phone looks simply beautiful. This is a phablet device and as you can see has unibody structure. You cannot take out the back. Let me quickly give you a hardware tour and then we'll talk a little bit about the specifications. So on front you have a large 6.1 inch display which looks beautiful. This is a high definition 1280 by 720 pixel display. There is a front facing high definition 1 megapixel camera. There are few sensors just next to it. A large speaker mesh over here. 3 touch buttons within the screen, so there are no capacitive touch buttons inside the bezel. The screen takes around 73% of the area of the front of this phone. The back is anti-slip and high quality material. On the back you have an 8 megapixel camera with autofocus and flash. There is a speaker mesh down here, Huawei branding in the middle. On the bottom you have the primary mic and a micro USB port for charging as well as data transfer. On the left hand side you have the micro SD card slot. On the top you have the micro SIM card slot. So there is single SIM which is accepted. There is a power or wake up key on the right hand side along with a volume rocker key just below it. The total internal storage of the phone is around 8 GB, out of which 4.6 GB is available to user. To expand the storage you can further add a micro SD card on this slot which is provided over here. The back does not come out and it has a high capacity 4050 mAh battery which is inbuilt. The user interface looks good, the display is very beautiful, and since we are outdoors you may not be able to see it properly, but the viewing angles as well as the display resolution on this device is fairly impressive. The RAM on the Huawei Ascend Mate is 2 GB, so it runs very snappy and does the multitasking with ease. As you can see, multiple applications are open. Still it responds very well. There is no different app screen on this phone since it is a new Emotion UI by Huawei. It has 1.5 GHz quad-core processor which powers this phone and gives it the blazing performance that it has. We'll give you a detailed review with benchmarks and specifications very soon. Stay tuned to Intellect Digest by pressing the subscribe button below. If you like our quick hands-on video, please press the like button. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.